Hi everybody, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This has a brown exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and C300 badging, and trunk here. This vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system. And we have our rear seats here. Another look at that sunroof. And a quick peek up front. Memory heated seats with the driver seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is currently at 57,764. We do have a push button ignition. And Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera, climate controls, center console, and Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.